Hello students, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to give you 7 latest defense updates. Number 1, stealthy submarine concept completes critical design review. ThyssenKrupp Marine Systems has completed a critical design review for its radical new submarine concept featuring stealth shaping, which was previously unveiled for the Indian Navy's P-75I program. The concept, inspired by the Type 212 CD submarines currently under development for Germany and Norway, demonstrate the maturity of the design and its potential to meet the Indian Navy's stringent requirement. The CDR involved a comprehensive review of over 1 lakh pages of documentation to ensure the design met approximately 6,000 contractual requirements. Next, AIP installation on India's Scorpene submarine. Dr. Samir V. Kamath, the chairman of DRDO, has announced that the air independent propulsion yani AIP systems will be integrated into the Indian Navy's Scorpene submarine by 2026. This significant upgrade will substantially enhance the submerged endurance of the diesel-electric submarine, bolstering its capability. The AIP system will be inserted into the Scorpene submarine through a process involving cutting and welding. Next, the new turbojet-powered loitering munitions. In a significant development for India's defense capabilities, a private sector firm is now pioneering the development of turbojet-powered loitering munitions designed by the Indian Army and Navy. These advanced munitions are set to revolutionize long-range target neutralization with their ability to strike from distances ranging from 25 km to 100 km. These loitering munitions can be launched from the unmanned aerial vehicles, providing flexibility and adaptability in various combat scenarios. Next, Big Daddy of Indian SLBMs set to challenge China. India's nuclear deterrent has taken a significant step forward with the induction of the K-4 submarine launched ballistic missile, that is SLBM, onto the INS Arighat, the nation's second nuclear-powered ballistic missile submarine. While the K-4 boasts a range of 3,500 kilometers, all eyes are now on the upcoming K-5, touted as the Big Daddy of Indian SLBM. Next, removal of 400 parts from Apache helicopter. An Indian Air Force helicopter which made a precautionary landing in Ladakh in April 2024 is being retrieved after a months-long operation. The Boeing Apache helicopter, which landed north of the Khardung La Pass, has been dismantled and is being transported by road to Leh. The rescue mission posed significant challenges due to the high altitude of the landing site. Next, leveraging C-17 for cruise missile strikes. The Indian Air Force has been a cornerstone of India's defense strategy, but the absence of dedicated strategic bombers in its fleet has been a notable limitation. This deficiency has restricted the IAF's ability to strike deep into the enemy territory and conduct sustained long-range operations. However, there is a compelling opportunity to address the gap by utilizing existing assets. The C-17 Globemaster III transport aircraft and the indigenously developed Nirbhay air-launched cruise missile. Next, private Earth observation constellation. The NIBE Space Private Limited, a subsidiary of NIBE Limited, has announced a strategic partnership with leading infrastructure, defense companies and startups in India. The collaboration aims to establish a private Earth observation constellation and a corresponding ground segment to offer a comprehensive range of space-based services. Thank you.